Alright, this is our second lecture of graphical user interface programming, in which we will discuss some basic building blocks of graphical user interface programming. Okay, like what is container, component, JFrame, title, size, and a lot of things in our second lecture. So you can see what is Java component and what is Java container. Java container is just like a window in which we will keep our components. Like Java container is a window like this or like this, okay, a canvas, and component is just an image, icon, and JText field, label, and a lot of things we will discuss in our coming lecture. Okay, so just keep in mind that Java container is a window or a canvas, and a components is a parts and icons or etc. Okay, and what is JFrame? So JFrame, easiest way to create a container is to extend the class JFrame. Okay, forget this. This creates a blank canvas everywhere component can be drawn. Where every component can be drawn. Okay, so easiest way to create a container is to extend the JFrame. When we will write code, then we will do this thing and create a blank canvas. So as I say, JFrame is a blank canvas. It will create a blank canvas like a container, okay, and the components can be drawn in a container. And JFrame includes set title, set size, set visible, set default, close operation. I will teach you, and when we will write a code. Look and feel is create background, like background color, like it will give a look and feel of canvas. And try it out. Let's try this out and create our very first ever GUI program. So create a class called simple GUI. This class extends Java container and these things. Let's close this out. I already done this. Okay, so first we will, this is a Java project. Okay, so first we will create our new Java project like this and name this like our lecture 2. Okay, finish. And this is package, Java package. This is just like a folder or a storage of a file what we are written in this, like lecture 2. And we will create a class, and class is the very main thing in our code. Okay, let's name this lecture 2. Finish. Okay, now this is our package. This is our package lecture 2, and this is class, public class lecture 2. Lecture 2 is the name of the class, and public is the access modifier. My advice is to just learn some basics of Java programming, like public, static, void, and how to get input, and jab oops concepts, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract classes, etc. I will also upload a course in coming days of fundamental of programming of Java. And in this GUI just learn some things like public. What is public? Public is the access modifier. It will create a class public and protect the class. And static is static, just if we can call a method from outside of a class so that's why we will create a static class. And void is no return value. No return value is void. And okay, so first of all we will extend our class to JFrame like this. Extend our class to JFrame. This is our class, and we will extend JFrame. And we will also create a library, import our library of Java swings. Okay, done. Now we will create a constructor of lecture 2. This is our constructor in which we will write some code, like we will set a title, we will set a size, we will set a visibility of program, and we will set a default exit on close operation. Okay, so set title. This is our terminator. Okay, and title name, this is our string. Okay, so like first program, this is our first program. Okay, so we will give a title, the first program or my first program. It looks good. Alright, now we will set our size of canvas, like 300, 500. It's a width and height of canvas. And we will set the visibility of set visible and terminator. So if we write false, we will give boolean values, true and false. If we write false, then it doesn't give output. Okay, that's why we will set this true. Okay, and set default close operation. Okay, in which we write exit on close. This will create a cross button and minimize button on a window. Okay, and now we are done with this constructor, and now we will create a look and feel constructor. So public static void set look and feel constructor strings. And here we will create try catch blocks. Try catch blocks are just like a switch or no if else block. Okay, we will create we will write try catch block, try and catch block. Okay, now in try catch block, what we will write is user interface manager, and for look and feel, user manager dot set. Okay, sure. Look and feel user manager, and put this nimbus here. Wait, oh shit. Wait a second. Can write this from here. There is some error in this line, so we will fix it out. Okay, in catch block we will give exceptions handling e and write system.out.print. okay, like e dot to string. If my code doesn't work, then this will give catch output like e dot to string, the details of code. Okay, and now we will create an object to call this JFrame in main method. So lecture 2, new, and lecture 2. This will call this first object lecture 2 constructor in main method. Okay, let's get output. Hey, finally our first GUI program of blank canvas is here now. This is our title, my first program. This is our blank canvas, and the size is 300/500, and the visibility true, and exit on close, and the nimbus look and feel up, like the background color and the canvas graphics. Okay, so we are done with this first GUI program, in which you will gain how to set title, how to set size, how to set visibility, and default close operation. And in the incoming lectures we will create button, text field in this blank canvas, and make a like messenger type window, and we'll do a lot of things. Just turn on lecture number 3 and play with this and try this. Just try this, not say, just look this and try this and practice this out.